Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will understand the meaning of normal strain in a direction. To understand this, let us consider a deformable body which is in the undeformed state. This is the undeformed configuration. And take any direction in the body. Say this is the direction. And call it direction N. Okay. And let us consider a fiber, a very small fiber, which is oriented along this direction. Let us call this endpoint as A and this endpoint as B. Okay. Now this body undergoes small deformation. And the body attains this configuration. This is the deformed configuration of the same body. Deformed configuration. In the deformed configuration, suppose this point A is here. I call it A prime, and this point B goes here. I call it B prime. Then since it is small deformation, so we know that a straight line in the undeformed state remains a straight line in the deformed configuration, right? Okay. So this is the fiber length AB in the undeformed configuration, and the length of the same fiber becomes A prime, B prime in the deformed configuration. Then we define the normal strain in a direction, say N here, is defined as the change in length of a fiber oriented along direction N before deformation divided by the undeformed length of this fiber. Okay, so let's denote this normal strain by the symbol epsilon. Okay, and it is measured in the direction N. So in the subscript we write N, and it is defined as change in length of the fiber, and change is always final minus initial. So what is the final length of the fiber in the deformed configuration? A prime to B prime minus AB. So this is the change in length of the fiber which was initially oriented in direction N, which means in the undeformed configuration, divided by the original length of the fiber, which is AB. Okay, so this is how we define the normal strain. Obviously, if the length of the fiber increases, then the normal strain in that direction is positive. If the length of the fiber decreases, the normal strain is negative. So if length of the fiber increases, then the normal strain is positive, and if the length decreases, the normal strain is negative. Thank you.